some of us belonging. Oh, it's cool here, huh? I'm sorry, the air conditioning is coming, but I don't know when. Could be 10 more years. If you have patience. We have a very big house, but not many people come. American?
Yes.
Looks like. Billy, you stay here? Eat again. Vietnamese? Yeah? From America?
Yes.
Oh, what's that? Why you sit like this? Oh, you sit over there, right? Yeah, just go to say hello. And see you later. Huh? How are you? 有没有中国人在那里？你们从哪里来？台湾来这边做这样啊？啊？台湾人来这边工作，怎么做这个样子呢？OK， 还好吗？好。How are you？ Tu es toujours là? Dans la montagne? Tout seul? Tout seul? Mais de Malaysia? Toujours encore la même place? OK， 我说，我跟你们打招呼而已了啊，还没到时间，我们来吃饭，好饿，你吃一下再说完哈，等一下再来哈。啊，这里给大家蒙住吗？啊？他什么？
在搭档，跟你都在对方。
哦，好，OK，这边可以吊床了哈，哎，不错啊。这次因为人来小嘛，大概你们每个人可以盖一个房子在里面住，没问题。都被考倒了啊？为什么这次人来这么小？其实台湾人也不敢来了，怕啊？我已经记过了，我还没死啊，别人说 OK 啊。好，等一下见哈，下午见 ，OK。So see you afternoon 啊。好凉啊，这边很凉。Enjoy the coolness, OK? If it's too hot somewhere, you just move to a 那个你们联络人员要照顾人一下哈，地方大嘛，就给他们坐里面一点，凉快一点 ，OK？ If somewhere too hot, you just move to a better spot to sit, OK? Take care of yourself, alright? Even though the weather has been ordered to be better, but sometimes it's still very hot. 我说已经命令那个天气要好一点了，不过还是会热，太阳还会晒黑的啊。这样已经很好了，这个时候本来最热的。I say if you know Cambodia, this weather is already godsend. It's supposed to be the hottest month already, huh? So it is already ordered to be good. But take care of yourself, huh? If it's too hot over there, just sit here. Understand? The ones who understand tell the other ones, and all the contact persons take care of your people. Okay? But don't worry, even the sun is expensive. In America or Europe, if you want to go and have a tan, it costs you many thousands of dollars. So it's free of charge. The sun is free, huh? See you later. Did you meditate? Yeah? Good? It's cool today, huh? You can even have a swim, If it's too hot, there's water available next door, right? Yes. You can splash it. Or have a bath over there. Have a shower or something. Well, everything is good here, huh? So convenient, even water next to your seat. God cannot treat you better, huh? You like the rain here or not?
Yes.
Yeah, except for leaking water. But it's okay, huh? You have enough places to take refuge, huh? 你们两个找那个凉快的地方那边嘛，你们两个去那边找凉快的地方坐下。啊，从后面走好了，从后面那边男孩子在这里，男孩子在后面。So, do you have more complaints today or not? No, I do. You like to hear? Yes. Every day I have a lot of complaints. I think I have to write a book. Best-selling. How to complain. Because you can know how to complain, but it might not work at all. You know what I was thinking this morning? No. This morning I really understood why people, appreciate Master very much. Yes. I didn't understand that before. I just told one of the people around me that, I really understand now. Yeah. Because before I used to see some of the gurus, teachers and all that, and people used to worship them and praise them and say, you're patient, you're a symbol of patience, compassion, love, tolerance, anything. And I said, what? He does nothing. He just goes around, let people bow to him, and then he just sits there and looks at people's eyes. Yeah, that's all. And then why do people praise him so much? What about patience and endurance and all this? Now I know. Just to be able to sit there, He has to go through hell already first. It's impossible. The human mind is really sometimes hell itself. It's incredible. If you have to work with a lot of people, Anybody knows? No, you don't. Nobody works with a lot of people. Okay. Is it cool today? It's cool? Yeah. Or do I have aircon or something here? Something there? No, huh? So the wind just comes from you, huh? Because I thought, I don't have aircon. Anything will feel cool. And the fan doesn't work either, so it must be good. You like it still? Yes. Yeah, I'm worried that you don't feel comfortable because it's new, huh? Newly developed, and the weather might be not suitable for you. But you feel okay, huh? Yes. Really? Okay. Now, anybody have any question? No? No. Then why are you here? Huh?
Meditate. Look at you.
To see me? Okay. Any other reason? Hear my teaching. Can I even teach you, the greatest beings? The center of the universe. How can I ever teach human beings? Do you see that? He agreed. That's just an arrangement for master power. To let you know, this is truly so. Really, you don't have questions? Every day I meditate, I heard you, very noisy. Oh, Master, please do this. Oh, Master, why is this? Please, Master. And then now you come here and you have no questions. I don't believe this. Maybe you like Cambodia, huh? Who knows? Hey, what's the matter, honey? Are you crying or is there something wrong?
No.
No? Huh?
No.
No what?
No, I'm not crying.
Not crying. You laugh. Yes, sometimes when we're too happy and we're too sad, the same thing, huh? Our tears are coming down. And when we're in pain or in pleasure, it looks almost identical. That's what Herman Hesse said in his book, Siddhartha. Okay, if you don't have any questions, then let's have some jokes, huh? That's the best, huh? Just laugh everything out. Because otherwise I will cry, I feel like crying every day. Whenever I'm around people, my beloved disables, I always feel like crying.